Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick, and we're back again for another video. Today we have the TCL 50XL 5G, and I will show you, in case if you have a password or pattern or pin and you can't unlock the screen, so we're gonna perform hard reset. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and give me thumbs up. Without any further ado, let's find out. Now, quick reminder before we start: doing hard reset means doing factory reset. You will lose all your information. In addition to this, if you have a Gmail account that's already been set on the phone, you are required to use the same Gmail account and the same password in order not to get locked with the Google bypass screen. Now, to do the hard reset, first we need to shut the phone completely off. On the TCL, you can just press and hold the power key and go to the power off button. Click, and the phone after a few seconds should completely turned off. Now once the phone is completely off, here's what I need from you. You need to press the power key, which is this key, and the volume up together. Now once you feel the phone vibrates, immediately just release your finger from the power and keep hold on the volume up, and the phone automatically will take you to the recovery menu. So let's go ahead and do it together. This is power, volume up. We're gonna hold together. Once I feel the phone vibrates, I remove my finger from the power. I'm holding on the volume up, and the phone immediately will take us to this menu. We don't have much options over here, and we can navigate through the volume up down key control. So go and select wipe data factory reset. Now to choose this option, you have to use the power key. Go ahead. You're gonna get confirmation message that you're gonna lose all the information. Click on the volume down and select factory data reset, and again press on the power key, and it should take a few seconds, and now you will go back to the same screen. Now you just have to go with the first option, reboot system. Now press the power key. Now the phone might take up to 5 minutes to complete, and it's gonna be new as the same day you purchase the device. That was very much it for that video. Hope you guys find it helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more here on Variety Stick. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we will see you in another video.